doing today, Matt?
Planting trees.
Planting trees or pushing stumps?
I ain't real sure.
You don't look real happy.
Ain't nothing out here straight or easy.
I'm straight and easy. He had to move over and get a better running start at the stumps up there ahead of him. So that way he can drag me directly over them. There's no sense in planting in between, like, yeah. We don't want to get in between the old stumps. We want to plant right on top of the old rows. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, right on top of the old ones. Where you want to be. Plants the straightest rows that way. Oh, that sounds good. So we jumped that stump. We'll probably find another in a minute though, if I know Matt. I would like to take all of those, give me like 3 or 4 of those little pansies, little snowflakes that need a safe place. I got a safe place for them inside this tree planter. Built like a bomb shelter on wheels. It's obvious you can't tear them up. If there was a nuclear holocaust, the only thing left would be cockroaches and tree planters. Like I was saying, give me some of them snowflakes. Cry about this, cry about that, and they ain't got no job. Got the job for it. Come riding a tree planter for a season. Because I guarantee you, male, female, whatever gender they claim to be, they come ride in a tree planter for a season. When they came out of this, they would be their regular gender, whatever they were born with, hanging down parts or innies. They would identify as such, and they would probably go and be a productive member of society. Sadly, their mamas and daddies didn't make them work. So here I am, an equipment operator, sitting in a tree planter so we can finish the season, because we can't even get immigrant help like we used to. another stump. Hear it strain. See me stop shaking. Oh yeah. That worked. Yep, he's picking us up. Usually means he's angry. He's angry at a stump. I'm angry at Enrique. Who's Enrique? Enrique is the little pansy that came to work like half a day. Oh, you pay me more, you like my work. No, I don't like your work. You only work half a day. You have to work the whole day. Get your money. Oh yeah, he's fixing to catch second cog, I knew it. The best way to describe this is imagine, almost missed that one. Imagine being on a tilt-a-whirl that all the bearings and bushings are shot, and you've got to throw and hit a bullseye with a dart every time you come around. That's what this is. No, but it's cool. It's cool. It could be worse. Yep. Oh, there it is. That's worse. Yes. Screw that stuff.
I was fucking. I looked back. I didn't know it was going to hit me.
It's okay. I'm fine. Pull the throttle back. Let's go. Jesus.